Hi, welcome to Rockulele, and the reason I started the channel Rockulele was to help players who'd moved past the beginner stage and were entering the intermediate stage of their journey on the ukulele, and they were looking for places to find extra tips and tricks and ways of improving their rhythm. Now, I only came to ukulele myself in recent years, although I've been playing guitar and bass for around about 50 years, and I've transferred a lot of those skills over onto the ukulele. But the ukulele is now my go-to instrument. It's the one that I play every single day and the one I now have the most passion for. That is because it's such a versatile instrument. Not just because it's convenient to pick up and easy to transport, but because of the versatility for the styles that you can play, and that is something I promote very much on my channel. So okay, we've got our standard up and down styles, but what about flamenco? What about reggae? And what about rock and roll? All these things you can do on the ukulele, and my videos in my channel are all there to help encourage you. I also will do a few shorts as well to cover some famous songs in the style that I would play them on the ukulele, and there's some extra tips and tricks there as well. Ukulele is also a great social instrument, and there are thousands of groups around the world who meet on a weekly basis to play ukulele together, maybe have a drink and a chat together, and that's fantastic because you can't really do that on the electric guitar or on the bass guitar. But there's one other aspect I wanted to talk to you about the ukulele, and that is if you've got a relative or a friend who's suffering memory loss, it's been proven that music can be a great therapy for that. So next time you go around to see them, take your ukulele with you, ensure you've practiced a few tunes that were markers throughout their life, and enjoy half an hour playing ukulele to them. You'll be amazed at the results. In between time, please enjoy my channel, please subscribe or like my videos, but most of all, enjoy the ukulele.